What are you doing here?
We are installing coilovers.
Okay. Oh yeah, so that's the compressor over there. Got two compressors. 1, 2. Okay. What is this? This is the. Okay. Let's see. This is the fittings.
Where's the tank go? What?
Bolts, washers, nuts, zip ties. They give you this?
Yeah, everything.
And this is a fuse?
Yeah.
And then what's this?
Oh, I need a screwdriver.
Screwdriver right there. This is yo, Sav, what is this?
It's a filter.
Filter, air
This
filter?
goes on right here.
Yeah.
Oh, filter. Okay.
This is just a bracket if you want to like mount it to the
Yeah.
floor.
Explain.
Teflon tape.
Okay.
There's a tank behind you.
Explain.
These are
Where's
the
the
lines.
airline?
I have the lines in here.
Oh, I didn't open it.
This is Airtekk.
Ooh, where are the lines?
Probably anywhere.
Oh, there are the lines.
Yeah.
The lines, harness. We're not gonna use these, right? This is for the
This is for the sensors for the 3H.
3H. Yeah. We have the 3P.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay, so question:
Yeah.
how do you want to install the compressors? Up or on the side?
On the side.
Like this? Up?
I think the wire is the other way. No?
You can hide the wires. It's fine. You can just drill a tiny hole and wrap it with the black electrical tape. Or you can get the wire thing.
Yeah, I know.
Like the
Yeah.
thing on that.
Yeah.
If you drill a hole right here, it will be hidden.
Okay.
Yeah, so we gotta take a strut bar out. 3 bolts here, 14 millimeter. 3 on the other side. And then 2 all the way up there. Alright, 19 millimeter. Right here. Put this on. And on the back. So back here, right here where the end link is, you put a 21 wrench. And that's it, should come out. Okay, so we gunned it off. It's gonna come out just like this. Now we're gonna have to take either a hammer, hit it, or use a jack to support it up here. So it loses the tension up here. That's it. So we're taking this airline, we're gonna hook it up. And no, I had to show them what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna take out the battery and run the line all the way down and catch it down here somewhere and then hook it up to that.
And then what? Where's mine? The white one. You want to video it?
So it's going to the grommet, this one?
Yeah. Basically, take out the battery, take out the cover. Show them now. That's gonna be under the battery. And then, we're doing something here. Just poke a hole in the grommet, and then put the what do you call it? the hanger. Just tape everything up and just pull it all together. So I have two compressors.
These wires.
These are the compressor wires. I have two compressors, so that's why I have two.
Okay.
They're just gonna go directly to the battery.
To the battery.
Yeah, positive, negative. That's it. And then once you take that the bracket out, you can just push the airline through this, the rubber grommet, and then just pull it off. And that goes directly in the bag.
There you go.
Open this, pull this out, and just tuck all the wires behind it.
Okay.
That's it. And on this side, you just go under the carpet.
Okay. Okay, so we're doing the rear now. You're gonna have two 12mm nuts here. So you're gonna take those out. And then after that, you got a 17mm. And then on the back, it's just a 19. Just put it there. And then it should come out. And then once this comes out, you can pull this out. And then this one, you're gonna have to take out the spring. So you just have this one down here. Take this out, and then they'll fall right out. Take out the spring and this rubber piece, grommet. Yeah. 18-inch. Recording, right? Yep. Okay. So it's gonna be a 17 in the front, and the back is a castle nut. So we're gonna use the 18mm wrench on the back. Okay. Sorry, this is organized. This bolt's for the top. Okay. There's a nut.
Oh, once I put the nut in. Yeah.
Ouch. You good? Yeah.
When I turn my car on, it's gonna get a current, so the compressors turn on. I'm gonna wire this to the cigarette lighter.
Hey, let me show.
To this one, but mine is gonna be a little different because I already have my dash cam hardwired. So I just took this off. I'm gonna put the wire through this. It's basically gonna be getting the current whenever I turn my car on.
Record this. Fuck you.
You want Wait. Okay.
Yo, look at that.